of you. I am Yuvraj Shivajirao Shinde. We came from Saraswati Institute of Pharmacy. As you know, 25 September we celebrated as a World Pharmacist Day. Pharmacists are the unsung heroes of our healthcare system. And as you know very well, in past few years we fight with Corona, and in the Corona disease, almost all world are stopped, and many human beings lost their life. But at that time, doctors and pharmacists are on their proper work without caring their life. And pharmacists in Corona time, COVID-19 vaccine are made by pharmacists and save our lives. As you know, pharmacists, almost anyone think work in only medical field, but you know very well, we apply cosmetics in that field also. Pharmacists work. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching our